Welcome back to Wheel and Thrill. Today, we're diving into one of the most adrenaline-pumping, track-ready machines out there, the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. Known for its powerful V4 engine, advanced electronics, and stunning design, this bike is truly in a league of its own. If you're looking for a machine built for speed, precision, and pure thrill, stay tuned because the RSV4 1100 factory delivers on all fronts. The Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory is more than just a superbike, it's a beast. With its race-inspired design, aerodynamic winglets, and carbon fiber components, every detail of this bike is crafted to optimize performance. These winglets aren't just for show, they're engineered to add stability and downforce at high speeds, giving riders an edge on the track. At the heart of the RSV4 1100 factory lies a 1099cc V4 engine, capable of producing a staggering 217 horsepower. This engine is renowned for its power delivery, offering quick acceleration and a top-end speed that's hard to match. Aprilia has equipped it with the titanium Aprilia V8 DRS exhaust system, not only enhancing performance but also giving the bike a signature roar that's music to any rider's ears. The RSV4 1100 factory isn't just about raw power, it's packed with cutting-edge electronics to enhance the riding experience. The digital display gives riders access to multiple riding modes, customizable settings, and real-time data. You've got options for race, track, and street modes, letting you adapt to different conditions and get the most out of this machine. The APRC system Aprilia Performance Ride Controller gives you access to traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and even engine braking adjustments. Handling on the RSV4 1100 factory is pure precision. With a lightweight aluminum frame and advanced A-lin suspension, it provides a level of stability and responsiveness that makes even sharp turns feel smooth and controlled. The Brembo-style Lima brakes offer outstanding stopping power, giving you confidence to push the bike to its limits. On the track, this machine feels planted and responsive, allowing for smooth transitions and effortless cornering. The ride experience is all about thrill and speed. With the RSV4 1100 factory, Aprilia has created a bike that lets riders feel the raw power of a race bike while providing the control needed to handle it. The throttle response is instant, and the acceleration is exhilarating, especially as you move through gears with the seamless quick shifter. Whether you're accelerating down a straightaway or carving through a twisty section, this bike keeps you fully engaged. Aside from its performance, the RSV4 1100 factory is a work of art. Aprilia has paid incredible attention to aesthetics, with aggressive styling, a compact tail section, and that signature Italian design flair. This bike looks fast even when it's standing still, and that's part of what makes it so iconic. The Aprilia logo proudly displayed on the tank is a badge of honor, signaling a rich racing heritage that comes alive in every ride. In short, the Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory is an absolute masterpiece for those who crave high performance, precision, and a genuine connection to the road or track. This bike brings the best of Aprilia's racing experience directly to riders, with no compromises on speed, control, or style. If you're serious about performance, this is a bike that can take you to the next level. Thanks for joining us on Wheel and Thrill. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into incredible machines like this. Until next time, keep those wheels rolling.